Everyone, this is Kikimo Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Don Bell compilation! So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Ano meron? Ay, gwapo naman ni Donnie. Ano yun? Iisang flat lang sila. Tama ba ako? Making our way downtown. Isang ano lang sila? Isang flat? Tama ba? Sorry, Belle. Bakit? Asan si Belle? Ganda naman ni ate girl. Ganda niya, no? Bakit? Ay, ito. Asa po
My
siya?
interest or preschool teacher.
Ay, preschool teacher.
Cute. Lang.
Ako naman po, nagbebenta kasi ako ng ice candy nung bata ako. Tsaka load.
Ay.
So, yung dream ko talaga magkaroon ng isang business paglaki ko. So, businessman.
Pero may business siya, di ba?
And sideline, track and field. Track and field athlete.
Ay, iba ang endurance. Iba ang
Tita, I just
endurance.
have to say, ang ganda
to?
ng lipstick nyo, ha?
We just
Hi, cute. Gwapo ni Robin. It's okay. Inawit. Inawit ni Donnie. Totoo ba? Ang pwede talaga ni Belle, no? Parang baby, piling ko yung nasa siya doon ni Donnie. Ano bang context doon? Sorry, ah.
Love is so warm, it makes my shield melt down. And every time we both war, you make me come up.
Okay.
What is the reason when you really could have any man you want? I don't see what
They are the sweetest. Seriously, they are the sweetest. Dami nilang gano'n. Oh, tinam... Bakit niya ba ginano? Sorry. Bakit niya ginanon? Can someone comment down below? Bakit niya ginanon? Just, ang funny lang. Hi. Fiona, ang lahat. Ganda ni Belle.
every single day of my life. I make my lucky strong. God really has to spend extra time when it's broken your heart. 'Cause there's no explanation. Can't solve the equation. Like the love all that I lost. I'm like a statue stuck staring right at you, girl. Tracks so easy to take me back each and every time I laugh at you. Stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost, I'm
Okay.
Ako naman po, siguro, I would have
Ano?
wanted to be in the World Cup.
World Cup.
World Cup. That was my dream. First dream was to be a football player. After po nun, gusto ko maging piloto. And I think matutupad ko pa rin sana.
Ay. Okay. Tapos sa dito na chika. Okay. Okay. Ay, may sariling mundo talaga sila. May sariling mundo talaga sila tatlo. Na parang si Belle nagtatantrums. Wait lang.
Have
Wait
a
lang,
song
no?
called Sigurado. 2 lines. Okay. Kahit na magtago, hindi tatakbo. Pagkat alam kong hanapin ka ng puso ko.
Walking, hey, wanna turn that. Walking,
Hello?
then it flip.
Okay. Ay, cute. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Charing! May Kuala lang, walang Malaysia. Chares. Ganun. Anyways. Ano? Ay, ang ganda nito. Yung sa gitna nila. Pak! Slay! Slay ka dyan, Belle. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. I'll stick with you forever. Stick with you. Ay, hello. Ay,
Ayan po, we're very
Ano?
happy that we can spend time with you.
anong chika? Anong chika?
Let's just have a great weekend as well. We love you guys. Thank you for inviting us to your home here. Belinda.
Belinda? Nabigla si Belinda. Nabigla si Belinda doon. Ano ba? Cutie.
Yes.
Ako naman po, siguro, I would have wanted to be in the World Cup.
World Cup. Taray, World Cup. Ay, anyways, that is it for today's video. This is Kikiba Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.